Hello, aviation enthusiasts and tech aficionados. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're about to take flight, quite literally, into the future of aviation. What if I told you that the skies are now home to a groundbreaking invention, the world's first manned drone, capable of aerobatic maneuvers? Fasten your seatbelts because we're about to soar into the extraordinary. Picture this: a pilot-less aircraft that defies gravity, performing breathtaking aerobatic stunts that were once reserved for human pilot. It's not science fiction. It's a reality that's rewriting the rules of aviation. Our journey begins with a visionary team of engineers, designers, and daredevils who dared to dream beyond the limits of conventional flight. They embarked on a mission to create a drone that could not only navigate the skies, but do so with flair and precision. At the heart of this marvel is cutting-edge technology, a fusion of AI, robotics, and aerospace engineering. The drone's onboard systems mimic the instincts of a seasoned pilot, performing rolls, loops, and spins with astonishing grace. People who fly drones or do aerobatic maneuvers still sound futuristic. However, some businesses are working hard on these issues. One of these companies is Drone Champions AG, situated in Liechtenstein. The business, which also founded the Drone Champions League, DCL the game, showcased the world's first manned drone capable of aerobatic maneuvers including rolls and loop. The racy-looking 12-rotor coaxial multicopter is designed in the style of jet skis and speedboats. This single-seat machine has 12 propellers that allow you to lift the full weight of the drone and whoever gets inside. It has 6 arms that stretch outwards, each having a pair of coaxial rotors installed at the ends. After several years of development, the business began testing this drone, which they claim is capable of performing acrobatics with a person inside. Following early tests in an indoor facility in Germany, the first manned racing drone was taken to the Vierzar in Croatia for its inaugural outdoor flights a few days ago, when aerobatic maneuvers were successfully accomplished. Herbert Weerather, founder of Drone Champions, sat in the single-seat vehicle while it was operated via RC controller by Mirko Cicina, who has proven experience in the operation and flight of racing and aerobatics drones. We created the first ever manned aerobatic drone with the goal of creating a brand new future racing experience and recruiting drone pilots through DCL the game. Everyone should be able to fly, and DCL the game provides a good starting point, remarked Herbert Weerather. According to the DCL, the experience was positive, and they believe that this type of vehicle would revolutionize the flight experiences of many customers if they dare to ride. This type of aircraft will very definitely become a reality sooner or later, but you must be patient and allow the corporation to use the test results to continue perfecting this model.